This is Caitlyn. Caitlyn is a popular English instructor at a small but successful two-year college. The past year has been rough on Caitlyn and her son. They are victims of what many call a 500-year flood. Caitlyn, along with thousands of others in her community, lost her townhome as a result of an unforeseen natural disaster. The townhome that Caitlyn and her son lost, however, was not legally hers. It was rental property. Due to the catastrophic damage of the flood, the owner of Caitlyn's townhouse complex is forced to break his lease agreement. But Caitlyn is fortunate that a friend and fellow teacher was untouched by the flood and has a spare room for Caitlyn and her son. Wanting to buy a home months before the flood, Caitlyn began saving as much as she could, as often as she could, to pay for the down payment and closing costs on a home for her and her son. Unfortunately, she had not saved enough at the time of the flood and has had to come out of pocket quite a bit due to circumstances beyond her control. Fortunately for Caitlyn, a friend recommends Eve, an open mortgage loan originator well-versed, educated, and trained on the vast array of mortgage products available to clients like Caitlyn. Eve recommends that Caitlyn secure a 203H loan. The 203H extends assistance to victims in natural disaster areas who have lost their homes and are in the process of buying or building new ones. Not only is the down payment not included, but eligibility for 100% financing is available. To receive the benefits of the 203H loan, all that is required is to live in an area declared a disaster by the President, own a home whose extent of damage or destruction requires the home to be rebuilt or replaced, show proof of occupancy in the area and that the home has sustained damages. Submit a mortgage application within 1 year after the disaster declaration has been made to an FHA-approved lender. Using the 203H, Caitlyn is able to close on her home with little money out of pocket and begin the process of rebuilding. If you have any questions about the 203H mortgage or any home ownership financing option, please contact a friendly open mortgage loan originator today.